Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word detect. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The security cameras were able to detect the intruder before they could enter the building. Detect means to discover or notice something, typically by using special equipment or keen observation to identify hidden or concealed objects or activities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.